This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Pam Parker. Come home to beach living. This adorable 3-story end unit condo has lots to offer. 2-car garage plus a storage area. Bonus room can be an office or additional storage space. The second floor boasts an open floor plan with a kitchen, dining area and living room with a cozy gas fireplace. The 4 balconies are great for morning coffee time or a relaxing evening from a hard day's work. The third floor includes 2 bedrooms with their own full baths and a laundry room. If you want to enjoy the beach life, this is the place for you. Just a step across the street to the public beach and bay access. This beautiful home awaits you. For more information, review the details below.